Now we will do the modeling for these toilet rooms for the exhaust. Okay, so we have already calculated the flow rates for these toilets. Let's go to our HVAC ventilation schedule. Okay, so here we have the toilets, right? So for the toilet, if you see, we have the exhaust for men's and women 110 and 105. So the fan will be selected for the total airflow rate. Okay, so you can add these values once you go to the sorting and grouping, formatting, and here you see you have specified exhaust airflow. There you can click on calculate totals. Click OK. Okay. So here you are getting 215. So 215 is the total flow rate for the toilet area. Okay. Now, firstly, I'll be placing the air terminals upon each of your units. Okay. So placing that, firstly, I'll go to the ceiling plan. So in the ceiling plan, you can see you have the elevation as 2.8. Okay, 2.8 is the elevation for your for your ceiling, and the ceiling type is plain fall ceiling. It's a plain fall ceiling, not a grid fall ceiling. Okay, so we have the option other than your diffuser. If it's a grid fall ceiling, then you have to go with the square diffusers. But in this case, we will go with circular on disc valves. Okay, let's go to the system and click on air terminals. So air terminal, we will have, yeah, this one, toilet exhaust swivel diffuser. Okay, here you can define your elevation, that is 2.8, that is 2800, and I'll be placing one diffuser over here. Okay, let's select this and I will copy the same for the other units. Okay, we have placed at the center, and one I will place it somewhere above over here, and I'll copy the same for the other units. Okay, and here it will be somewhere in the middle. Yeah, so upon each urinal and WC, I have placed slot diffusers. If you go to the ceiling view, you will see that, how these are placed. Okay, so in this case, if you see, aesthetically, in this room it has to be in the same line, and in this room, for the men's, it has to be in the same line, so that will look good. Okay, so what I can do, I can align this with the same line. Either you can pull them near, just far from the wall, okay, to align with this one, or you can align this one at the back. Okay, so that's not a big issue. Just select this, I will align this at the back, so they're on the same line, and make sure these are all in the same line. Okay, now we have placed the diffusers, swirl diffusers, and we have to place the mechanical equipment now. So click on this mechanical equipment, and here you will have an axial fan. We will be using an axial fan. Okay, so it's for 250 liter per second flow rate. I can use this one. This you can get in your resource folder. Just I'll place it somewhere over here, because our strategy is to, we cannot exhaust the flow rate on this wall, right? We cannot exhaust because this is the front side. This is your front side. So at front side, it is not recommended to throw the toilet exhaust or any kind of exhaust. So that's why I will be placing equipment here, and I will throw the exhaust at the back side. Okay, and through the ductwork, I will connect all these diffusers. Okay, so yeah. Now what you can do, I'll select this, and before this, I will size the duct which I'll be using for these diffusers. So our total flow rate for this men's and women's toilet is 215, right? That is, I'll open the duct sizer, and I will change the units, metric 215, and I'll take the head loss as 0.816, and I will write here, let's say 250. Okay, so 250 by 250, you can take the duct size. Okay, you can take a size as 250 by 250. So I'll select this mechanical equipment and I'll click on this connector. I'm getting a round duct. I will change the duct to the radius band rectangular one. And I'll click somewhere over here. Okay. So okay, this color I want to change. I don't I don't want a green color, because green color is for your pressure, right? So I will change this. Firstly, I will change the system type. This is toilet exhaust. And let's go to the duct systems, toilet exhaust, and click here, click here. Okay, it's okay, that's fine. The color is already set. On the only thing we have to do is we have to change the system type. That's perfect. Okay, so this size that we have calculated is 250 by 250 as per Macway duct sizer, 250 by 250. And I will run the duct. Just can run above this. Okay, and you can cap and this. Click on this cap and now simply you can connect these diffusers with the help of connecting to tool. But the one thing which we have to note is we have not defined the elevation. Okay, so elevation I will take, let's say 3300 for example. Okay, or 3200 because fall ceiling is at 2.8. Okay, that's perfect. And now I can select the diffuser and I can connect them. Change this. Similarly, I'll select this, connect into, and I'll select this. Sorry, select this and connect into. Okay. Now, similarly, you can select all of these one by one, and you can, with the help of connecting to tool, you can connect them. Connect, connect into, and connect them. Okay. So if you see this in the 3D view, how they are connected. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this shoe neck location you can change because it has to be on the other side. Like the airflow will go from this air terminal to the mechanical equipment. So this has to be reoriented. Okay, and this one, yeah, perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Now I'll go to the floor plan. I'll go to the floor plan and I have to discharge this air which is taking through this ductwork outside the building with the help of a exhaust louver. Okay, exhaust louver. Firstly, then I have to identify the size of the louver. So we will be calculating the size of the diffuser.